How to make Gboard default keyboard on Samsung phone. In this video, I will guide you how to make Gboard default keyboard on Samsung phone. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now you want to search for Gboard. Install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, you want to open up your settings. Now tap on General Management. Here you want to select the option of Keyboard List and Default. Tap on that. Now you will find the Gboard option. Make sure to toggle that option on. Here tap on OK. Once Gboard has been toggled on, tap on the default keyboard option at the top of your screen. Now go ahead and select Gboard as your input method. Now as you can see, Gboard has been made your default keyboard. Now open up any app that uses a keyboard and you will see that Gboard is now your default keyboard, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.